Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm doing a VERSED skincare unboxing. VERSED was really kind enough to send over a box of goodies. They actually sent over 2 boxes of goodies. I could not have been any more excited when they reached out. I've been using VERSED products pretty much since they launched. You can find all of their products at Target or online at versedskin.com. They are a clean skincare brand. All of their products are vegan, cruelty-free. I mean, it just marks off so many check boxes for me. I was just so happy that they wanted to send these over, and I just wanted to sit down and do this unboxing and share all of the products that they sent over. If you are not familiar with VERSED, hopefully after this video, you'll want to pick up some of their products because they are truly so good. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna open up this first box. Cute. It says, "Let's stay in tonight, you." Now that you've opened this, I love that. So we have this little VERSED card. It says, "Hi, we're so excited to introduce you to VERSED." So they're non-toxic, cruelty-free, and vegan skincare brand. I love that. And they have like little, oh, it's like a little postcard. The VERSED is here. Team VERSED. It's so cute. Look how cute this headband is. Oh my gosh. And it says VERSED on the inside. How adorable. This is so cute. So I guess all the other products are in this box. Let me open it up real quick. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my god, it says VERSED on it. How cute. I love all the colors. They're just so vibrant and happy. Okay, so what do we have? Ooh, yes. So this brightening tightening mask I've actually bought before and I love, so I'm glad that they sent this over. It's basically made for aging skin, dullness. It's a red clay mask with turmeric that gently exfoliates to help brighten the skin, improve the appearance of skin's texture, and it leaves your complexion looking energized. You basically just apply an even layer onto your skin and then leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse with cool water. You want to use it about 1 to 3 times a week, either in the morning or in the evening. It's just so cute. I love the packaging. And then they sent this Silk Slip Tinted Lip Oil. Okay, I've never used this before. How exciting. It looks really good. Made for all skin types. You and your lips need to smooth things over and a hint of a tint. So it's a lip soothing oil with antioxidants, vitamins, and beneficial fatty acids for moisturizing and smoothing effect. I just wiped off my lips to try this. We're gonna give it a shot right now. How cute is this tube? In that pink color. So I think this is in the shade, I think it said Blossom. Yeah, it's Blossom. Let's see. I love when it's shaped that way and it's so easy to squeeze. Oh, here we go. It's cute. It's pink, but it's like a very subtle pink. What do you guys think? Feels really nice. I think I like it. And lastly, they sent over their gel cleanser, rose water and seaweed extract. Ooh, look at that little smiley face on there. How cute. I love it. Made for all skin types. It's a gentle cleanser with a light frothy lather and a dash of refreshing mint. Ooh, we love mint. So basically you massage a dime size amount into wet skin for 60 seconds, rinse thoroughly, and then you pat dry, of course. And then you can use this for both AM and PM. And yes, to recycling, hope you do too. I think a lot of brands are moving towards that sustainable packaging and all of their materials are recyclable. I love because it's helping out the environment. We use the good, vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, dye-free. We lose the bad, no parabens, silicones, sulfates, no mineral oil, petroleum. I cannot wait to try these products and these are so cute. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, VERSED. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out VERSED at Target or online, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!